Top loading washing machine water level setting. Purpose: for setting water level according to load. Switch on the washing machine. Press the water level button for selecting the water level. Display shows default water level, which is 7. Water level can be changed only in standby mode before program starts. To change water level setting while program is running, press Start Pause button. Select desired water level and again press Start Pause button. Water level has 10 settings on display: low, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.